Discover a stunning Tuscan Lakeview-style home with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, offering 2,700 square feet of luxurious living, set on 0.62 acres, located in the highly sought-after community of Orchid Bay. This home welcomes you to spacious interiors and a layout perfect for entertaining. Step inside through custom wood doors into a space adorned with crown molding and soaring 10 and 12-foot ceilings. A chef's kitchen will delight with its 42-inch custom cabinetry, large center island, granite countertops, tumbled marble backsplash with medallion, plus new GE Profile stovetop, GE Profile convection oven and microwave. The grand primary bedroom, on the opposite side of the home, features a double vanity sink, custom double shower, and a walk-in closet with custom storage and shelving. The layout includes a large open space and an office that could function as a 4th bedroom. A custom 12 by 20 paver sun patio extends the living space beyond the screened enclosure. A resort-style in-ground saltwater pool and covered screened patio are complete with a stone waterfall. The community offers a playground with a new tennis court, pickleball, and basketball court. Located near A-rated schools and the beautiful Stewart Beach.